Hello, my name is Angela and today I will talk a little about the vital force before actually buying this product. I also have some really important warnings to preserve your health, so pay close attention to what I have to say in this video. The first thing you should know about Vital Force is that it is only sold on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else, so be very careful and make sure to buy the original product from the official website because, unfortunately, many people have sold this product on unofficial websites and buying this product on non-official websites that the person actually receives is not the original product, and for not being the original product can harm your health, and then they think the product doesn't work and everything, when it actually does, so be very careful with it. And to help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out when you finish watching this video. So you may be wondering, what is Vital Force and if it really works? And the answer is yes, personal, Vital Force works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers identified that there is a natural formula in Vital Force with 10 high-quality concentrates that targets the root cause of. You are feeling tired, exhausted and indisposed, but these are conditions that impact millions of people around the world who have been vaccinated against COVID-19. These 100% natural pills can reverse the deadly effects of toxic vaccines. This will cleanse your body and remove all toxic bits of the vaccine from your system. Keep in mind that this product is completely safe to use and is processed under strict, sterile, and accurate standards. In addition, Vital Force capsules are non-GMO and are not habit-forming. Vital Force has been tested and approved by thousands of people around the world and no one has complained about side effects. So if you are struggling with some side effect of the vaccine, such as high blood pressure, high heart rate, fatigue, anxiety, chest discomfort, fainting, migraine, mental confusion, and many more, all you need to do is take one capsule a day and you will start to enjoy the benefits. So yes, personal, you can definitely trust this product. There are many people out there having great results with Vital Force and you can also get those results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body can react in a unique way, so be realistic about your treatment and expectations. In addition, there is something really important and interesting about this product that you need to know before buying it, and it is that you can really test Vital Force for 60 days warranty, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any reason, they will return you the money, so there's no risk. Also, for Vital Force to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You will start to see the initial results in the first month, but most people can notice better results after 3 months of using this product. Another important thing for you to know is that Vital Force has absolutely no side effects as its ingredients are 100% natural. And most importantly, you do not have to worry because it is aimed at people of all ages so that absolutely no one can take Vital Force, and keep in mind that it is FDA approved and made in a GMP certified facility. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy Vital Force, and also, if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously, so that it really works. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body works in a very unique way. But I really recommend that you do the treatment for at least 3 months for best results. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in a comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy Vital Force with a special discount, as I said, I will leave the link from the official website below in the video description. Good luck with your treatment, hope you have a great day. Bye.